Hi, today I'm running OnePlus 10T and I'll show you how to activate fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So if you wanna activate the fingerprint sensor animation on your OnePlus smartphone, you should first open the settings application and then scroll to passwords and security. Then tap here to fingerprint, enter your password or draw the pattern here and then click here to fingerprint animation. Now we can see that we have now selected just any animations here, so just to activate it, select one from these available animations. For example, let's use the fireworks. Now just let's go back to the lock screen and we can see that we just successfully activate the fingerprint sensor animation on our OnePlus smartphone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.